National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a flash flood warning for central Webb County in south-central Texas until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:54 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Laredo, Bottoms, Unitic Industrial Park, Orville, Ranchos Penitas West, Doctors Hospital of Laredo, Laredo Country Club, Callahan, and Columbia Bridge. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.